In Jamaica, we say panganut, but what is it? Pomegranate. And he has special needs, so. So here are the stuff that I got from Bath and Body Works. You wanna come and play? Impression on his friends, and so they invited me to play tennis. Lavender lemonade. Okay, so we're having brunch at look at the breakfast board. We have some eggs.
I think I'm falling in love. She said, what you know about love? I'll tell you everything. I got what.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we went for brunch at 111 Capital Hotel. I look really cute. My glasses are from Shein, earrings, Kate Spade, necklace, Japan. Where's a star? There we go. Rumple, Target. Heels, Target. Bag, a Coach. I feel extremely beautiful. And we're going upstairs. So we're out for brunch. Chi today. Okay, so we're having brunch at, where is this? 111 at the Capital Hotel. It's really cute. We're probably the only black people here. But let's see what we're going to have. We're going to have lavender lemonade as a starting juice. I kind of feel cute, so alright. So we're having brunch today at 111 at the Capital Hotel, and we're starting with lavender lemonade. Look at it, isn't it beautiful? But it's a bit.
Good deal. But they open back up. Market.
There are many things on that list. Look at the breakfast board. Some eggs, some sausage, some bacon, waffles, fruits. They have a lot of stuff on the board. And look at his breakfast. Like we're going upstairs. The bathroom is absolutely gorgeous. So we came over for brunch today, and we came to 111 at the Capital Hotel, and it's absolutely gorgeous. I'm in the bathroom. How does it look? Great brunchy. I am full, and we're probably going to play tennis today. Yay! I need to get the sneakers though, so I'm going to get the sneakers. Probably see if I can get like a baby shoes for Cairo, and then we're gonna play tennis. Oh, I need a pair of socks. I need a pair of socks as well. Go play tennis. So I made such a good impression on someone's friend, and they invited me to play tennis because I'm a sweetheart. I'm just great, period. Am I not great? Am I not great? Am I not great? You have to respond. He has some challenges, a few challenges. He's on the spectrum a bit, but you know, I love diversity. And he has special needs. So, what? What did he just say? No, you have to say yes.
Yes.
He made an impression on his friends, and so they invited me to play tennis. So I'm going to play tennis today. But wish me luck at playing tennis. The last person I played with was Sean, so we shall see. I feel quite cute today. I feel like I look quite cute today, so there's that. Bye. We're going to the mall. We're in the large. These are pretty cute. They're like a mint 10. This is the one I like. It's kind of cute. You have night. Alright, so this is what they're looking. They're kind of cute. Ish. I just hate the fact that they're not stitched. Oh, and this one is really nice. That's a, how much did Adidas? 100.
At the net. It's very simple. You want to try? You want to pay?
Okay, so Angels smell really good, but these kind of smell like alcohol. The Fearless and the Very Sexy Sea. Alright. Let's see what's this here. Pure Soul. Okay. Limited time only. 3 for 33. 2 for 28. I'll be like panties. So today was a lovely day. I enjoyed every bit of tennis, and I think the quality of the video, let me lock the door. I think the quality of the video is going to be quite low, but sorry, don't mind the quality of the video. Just know that I had a blast playing tennis. I smell horrible right now. I'm gonna shower and then we're probably gonna get some wings and fries, but that's what I'm feeling for. But tennis was fun. I bought a New Balance sneakers, trying to add a little mix into my shoe game. I tried it out because I needed shoes to play tennis as well, and I wanted a sneakers to take home as well. It's comfortable, but it's slightly bigger than me. 1, 2, so it's slightly bigger. It's comfortable, but I think when I wear like my regular socks with it, it's going to be okay when I put on like my regular socks. What else? But they're okay. I think they're going to rub down really quickly though if I walk, and I walk a lot in my sneakers. But I really love my Adidas sneakers because you know they're stitched and all of that. The only thing I didn't like about the New Balance is the New Balance sneakers is that they don't stitch them down. Like I like my sneakers stitched right throughout, and they don't do that for the New Balance. So that's my only ick with it. But yeah, I like them. They're comfortable. They're right. Let's see how they fit with my regular socks. That's 1. 2, I got some stuff from Bath and Body Works. They had a sale, a ridiculous sale. That was pretty good. So I bought a few stuff that I liked. We'll probably show it tomorrow or so. I think today's going to be the last day I'm going to use my phone to video. I'm going to try it with my camera next week. Today's Sunday. What else? I want to go back to Victoria's Secret because they have like a sale, but I really need to look through it properly to see what I can pick up for myself. So I'll probably go back to Victoria's Secret during this week. I will go back to Victoria's Secret during this week. What else? We went into a couple other stores, but they have a lot of stores at that mall. My hand is hurting me a bit. That I can go back and look into. What else? I'm gonna bathe. I'm going to bathe. I'm funky. What else went on today? Brunch was delicious. It was massive though. The breakfast board, they put a lot of stuff on it, but it was really good. Gave me a good cleanse, that's for sure. A good little cleanse out. I tried the eggs were a bit runny. And I tried a bit of bacon as well, and that normally cleanses out my body. That normally cleanses out my inside. But the breakfast was really good. What else? I'm sorry, I burped. But yeah, tennis was good. Today was great. I'm gonna shower right now and then get some to eat later. Yeah, I can probably show you guys what I got. Oh, I like these snacks. You know, I think I'm going to bring back a pack for my mom if they don't expire really quick. Like, my mom likes cashew, and these are pretty good. Them have in Jamaica what's that? Panganut. But what is it? Pomegranate. They have it on it. An apple, flavored apples. It's pretty good. I think I'm probably going to look for a bag and bring home, but my mom will try it. It's actually a nice snack. So I got the sneakers. These are the shoes I got. Yes. These are how they're looking. They're cute or whatever. They're really cute. What did we buy for myself at Bath and Body Works? So I got a body wash. It's protein, B5 and aloe, so I think that's gonna be really good. What else? I got a body, you know I'm a scrub girl, so I got a body scrub. This is Calypso Clementine exfoliating beach body scrub made with walnut shell and coconut water. So that's good. What else did I get? This smells really, really good. Whipped coconut. You know I'm a coconut girly. Yeah, call me a coconut. But it's coconut milkshakes. It smells really good. Can go into my 24-hour moisture. And it can go into like my hand. No, not my hand luggage. Probably not my hand luggage, but you know, travel girly. And I got a body spray. The prices are really good, so if they have sale when I go back to the mall, I'll probably see if I can get something for my brother girlfriend as well. But this is fruity, and this is a mist spray. And he bought black cherry Merlot. And it smells really good. This smells really good from Bath and Body Works. Yeah, this smells really good. Anyways, I'm going to bed right now. And today, I think it's going to be the last day I'm using my phone to vlog. I'm going to try out my camera. But I really want a case for it. So that's the only thing holding me back. Because I don't want to drop it. But, yeah. That's all we got. Bye. If it's the last vlog for this week, I hope you have a blessed week coming up. You're phenomenal, you're great, and you deserve everything great in the world. Bye. Thank you so much for watching. Like, share, subscribe, comment. If you participated in Bath and Body Works sale, what did you buy? You can comment that below. Let me know what I can buy from them. Bye. So here are the stuff that I got from Bath and Body Works. This is a body scrub, the body wash, and the hand cream, body cream. Alright then.
I think I'm falling in love. She said, what you know about love?